Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the HP Player application to your Fire Stick. This is going to be a full guide. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow to install this application on your Fire Stick. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So here is my Fire TV device and I'm going to be doing everything on it. So please make sure to follow attentively. So on your Fire Stick device, the very first step or the very first thing we need to do while installing this application to our Fire TV is to install the downloader application to our Fire TV. Now to install downloader is not hard. Just go over to the search button here and in the find, what you have to do is to come over to the find button here and you click on it, just because this downloader is available on the Fire Stick App Store. That's why you can search for it here. So come over to the search button over here, and what you just have to do is to just type in downloader or simply just type in the D. I am going to get the application here. Sorry, I clicked the wrong application. So if I come back, here's the application I'm looking for, downloader. So just click on it here and here's the downloader. Now the reason we're installing downloader is because that's what we need to install the other applications in this tutorial. So we need to start by downloading downloader to our Fire Stick, which is not hard. Just go over here and click download, and the application is going to start downloading straight away to your Fire TV device. Now this is very easy and this is just the first step. So just give it a second, let it completely download and install to your Fire TV device as it has done here. Now once it's done downloading, what you can do is to return home. We've already done the first step of this tutorial, which is installing the downloader application. Now the second step, which is an important step, is to make sure that our Fire TV device is able to install applications or allows us to install applications from unknown sources. On a default or a new Fire TV device, you wouldn't be able to install applications from third-party sources to your Fire TV device, so you need to turn that on, and I'm about to show you how to turn it on. So if you don't know how to turn it on, this is exactly what you should do. On your Fire TV device, you need to go over to your settings. Here's my settings over here, and you go over to the option that says my Fire TV. Here's it here. Now the reason we're doing this is because we need to make sure that our Fire TV allows us to install applications from unknown sources. And you see this option here, developer options. That is the option that you need. Now if your Fire TV is new, you might not see it, and I'm about to show you how to turn this on your Fire TV. It is very simple. To turn it on, what you have to do is to come back to the option that says about over here, and then on the name of your Fire Stick device. Mine is Fire TV Stick 4K. Click on it 5 times until you see that pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once you get that pop-up, then the developer option has been turned on, and if you return home, you can come back to it over here, and as you can see, it says here apps from unknown sources. This option here allows you to install applications from unknown sources to your Fire TV device, and trust me, if this is not on, then anything I show you from here would not work on your Fire TV device. So please make sure you follow this step and turn this on your Fire TV device. Once you've turned this on, then you are on the way to installing this application. So we have 2 options done already. So let's return home, as mine is already turned on. We already have 2 steps done. We've installed downloader and we've turned on developer options to allow us to install applications from unknown sources. The next step is to use downloader to install a mini app store, which is the app store we are going to use to install the HP player to our Fire TV device. So what you have to do is to launch downloader, and this is how it will look like for the very first time on your Fire TV device. So just allow the instructions they give there, and then you come over here. Now if you don't know how to use downloader, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go over to this box over here and type in a code. Like for instance, the code I need to type in here to install this mini app store is 21254. That is the code I'll type here, and this is how downloader works. Just type in codes like this and you launch the install applications as I'm showing you on this video. This is for those who have never used downloader before. So if you launch the code, here's how it's going to work. Here's it over here. It's going to bring you to a page to install this mini app store called APK Time. As I said in this video, I'm showing you how to install HP player, but along the line, I'm also showing you how to install a mini app store to your Fire TV device that you can use to install applications without the normal app store. So if you come out to the option that says download over here, just cover it and click on it once, and this application is going to download. It will take just a couple of seconds, and then we can go ahead and install the application to our Fire TV device. So now it is downloaded. Just click on install over here, and then you wait for a second, and voila, that's it, it is installed. Now you can close all of this. Please delete this out file so you shouldn't fill your space for nothing, and then return home, and you can go back to your home on your FireStick device. So we've done 3 steps. We've installed downloader, we've turned on developer options, and we've installed the APK Time app store that we are going to be using now. So here's it, and this is how it looks like. Like I was explaining earlier, this app store can help you install other applications, not just the HB player, to your Fire TV device. There are lots of other applications over here they can install. As you can see, the various categories. You can come over here, take out your time, and browse through and see. You're going to see different applications categories that I'm sure you will be interested in. So along this video, I've also showed you something important. It's an app store where you can install other applications, but anyway, we're interested in the HB player, so let's go over to where we get the application. To install HB player, we need to come over to this category that says player and browsers. As you can see, the applications are divided into various categories. So come to this one, players and browsers, and in this category you are going to find a ton or a couple of players and browsers that you can install to your Fire TV device. And I'm just about to show you how to get the HB player. It's simple, just browse down a little bit until you see these 2 options. Now you might be wondering, why are there 2 options instead of 1? Now this depends on the device that you have. Mine is a 32-bit device, yours might be a 64-bit device. You just need to know which device is yours. Now if you don't know which device is yours, you can do trial and error. You can download the boot and see which is going to work for you. But for me, mine is the 32-bit, so I'm going to download the 32-bit on my screen over here. So here's it here, and I'm just going to download it and give it a second, let it completely download, and I'll install to my Fire TV device. I'm doing this because my Fire TV device is a 32-bit. Now once it's downloaded, all you need to do is just go over here, click on install, and the application is going to be installed straight away to your Fire TV device. It doesn't really take a lot of time. As you could see in this video, I've showed you everything step by step without skipping a particular step. Now once this is done, please just click done, and then you can close this APK Time and return home to your FireStick home. And if I come over here to my apps, as you can see, I have the HB player installed, and I can just go ahead and launch it so you see. Now as you launch it, as you can see, HB player does not provide any content for you to watch. It is just a player. You are the one who has to allow content to be played on this application. It is just simply a player and not a streaming app. So as you can see, the application has been installed. I can go ahead and start using it on your Fire TV device. So that's it about this video. I've showed you every single step you need to follow to install this application. So if you found it helpful, please, you know what to do. You can support my channel if you can, and also please just make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.